What will you do all day? Welcome, my name's Ed Zinkiewicz and I have a tip for you. Good days don't just happen. You're in charge. I know some of you have a boss who nitpicks their way through your day and makes every minute count. Some of you, I understand, also have assigned tasks. You have a lot of freedom to decide how to do it and how to schedule your day to get it done, but the bottom line is somebody else is passing out the assignments. And for most of us, a lot of our day is driven by deadlines. Have to pick up the kids after school, have to make the meeting tonight, have to fix dinner, have to get to work on time, have to be at lunch with the client, and on it goes. From one deadline to another, from one boss nitpick to another, from one assignment to another. When retirement happens, what happens to you when all that structure goes away? I suggest something simple. Start with the basics. Get up every day, go to bed every day, same time every day. Establish a pattern to get your circadian rhythm going. Fix breakfast, lunch, and dinner pretty much the same time every day. Establish a regularity for yourself. And then fill in the holes. Fill in the holes with exercise, with things that are meaningful to you, that things bring joy. That will get you started. Now, I can help with that in detail. You can look at some of the resources below in the other videos. But in the meanwhile, tell me what your challenges have been establishing a new day in retirement.
You got a good tip? I'd love to hear it or learn more about your life successes and celebrate them with you. This is Ed. Leave a comment below or send me an email.